Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read Love is the energy of life. Well, let's get started. Love is the most essential thing in a person's life. It gives us a sense of direction, belonging, and happiness. Without love, life would be barren and meaningless. Love can take on many different forms. It can be the bond between a parent and child, the friendship between friends, or the romance between partners. Each form of love is unique and special, but they all share one common trait. They bring joy and fulfillment to our lives. When we love someone, we want to make them happy, and we will do anything to protect and care for them. We also feel happier and more fulfilled when we are loved in return. This is why love is so crucial. It makes us better people and helps us live a more meaningful life. In addition, love can also change us in a positive way. It can help us become more compassionate, kind, and understanding. Love can also be a motivation for us to become a better version of ourselves. It can help us to overcome our fears, insecurities, and flaws. Love gives us the strength to face any challenges that come our way. Love is also a source of inspiration for many artists and writers. They express their emotions and feelings about love in their creations. From poems, songs, novels, to paintings, love is always the central theme. This is because it is the most powerful emotion that humans can experience. In conclusion, love is the most important thing in a person's life. It brings happiness, fulfillment, and purpose to our lives. Without it, life would be unbearable. So, it is important to surround ourselves with people we love and to always show them how much they mean to us. We should also remember to love ourselves and to be open to new experiences of love. Additionally, it is important to understand that love is not always easy. It requires effort, patience, and compromise. Relationships, whether they are romantic or platonic, take work to maintain. However, the rewards of love are worth the effort. When we have strong relationships with the people we love, we feel supported, understood, and valued. Love is also not limited to just human relationships. We can also experience love for nature, for animals, for hobbies, and for our life goals. These forms of love also bring joy, peace, and sense of achievement in our life. Another important aspect of love is acceptance. It is important to love and accept ourselves for who we are, and to also accept others for who they are. By accepting others, we open ourselves up to deeper and more meaningful relationships. This applies not only to romantic relationships, but also to friendships and family relationships. In the end, love is what makes life worth living. It gives us a reason to wake up each day and to strive to be our best selves. Whether it's the love between a parent and child, the love between friends, or the love between romantic partners, love is what connects us all as human beings. So, let us cherish and nurture the love in our lives, and always strive to be better at loving and being loved in return. Furthermore, love is not only something we receive, but also something we give. As we express our love towards others, we spread positivity and kindness in the world. This can have a ripple effect, as the people we show love to, in turn, show love to others. By being generous with our love, we can create a more loving and compassionate society. It's also important to note that love is not just a feeling, it is a choice. Love is not just a feeling of attraction or infatuation. It is also a decision to care for and be committed to another person. We can choose to love even when we don't feel like it, or when it's difficult. Also, it's not important to recognize that everyone has their own journey with love. Some people may find love early in life, while others may find it later or not at all. And that's okay. The most important thing is to not put pressure on ourselves and to enjoy the journey of life, regardless of whether or not we are in a romantic relationship. In short, love is the most important thing in our lives. It gives us a reason to live and to be the best version of ourselves. It is essential for our well-being and happiness. Love takes many forms, and it is not just a feeling, but also a choice, a commitment, and a journey that we can all make. By cherishing and nurturing love, we can create a more loving and compassionate society. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.